What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we're heading to Lake Charles, Louisiana today. We're gonna go pick up a project or a donor for another project. Probably by now y'all already know by the thumbnail what we're gonna go get. My dad actually found a real cheap 12 valve truck, Cummins, a 96. So that's where we're heading. We couldn't pass it up for $1,000. So we've already been on the road since 4 o'clock. So we've been driving for about 3 hours, a little bit over 3 hours already. Right now we just stopped to get some fuel, and we got another 3 hours to go. So it was kind of funny. This one, my dad found it. He hardly ever goes online looking for things, and this one he went on to OfferUp and it popped up, and he called my brother right away and told him to get in contact with him. So luckily nobody else had called before, so like the guy had just posted it, and that's what we're heading to. So he's waiting for us over there. He said he already has like 40 messages from people that want it, but he's giving us the first pick because we were the first ones to, or my brother was the first one to message him, and that's why he was waiting for us to go get it. So it's gonna be a donor truck, guys. I'll let you guys know when we get home, when we get back, what that engine is gonna go to. It'll be another project for the channel, so to keep you guys interested, it'll be a pretty interesting project for this truck. All right. We made it, guys. I can't record too much over here, but there was a hurricane here about 2 weeks ago, and there's a lot of damage. The guy here says that this is already cleaned up, but he said it was real bad. But we're gonna get to bring the truck is over there in the back. I'll record when we have it over here. Well, that's it right there. Oh my God, it's muddy here. Alright guys, we finally had a chance to stop here. I didn't get a chance to record getting it loaded, but this is what we got. This is gonna be a donor truck that my dad bought, and yes, it was $1,000. We're only taking the guy's word for it that it works, because we aren't able to start it because the starter is not in it. He said he took it off because he was going to replace it, and he never got around to it. So, and then the hurricane came through and it damaged as you can see, it opened, the hurricane slammed the hood open and it damaged the windshield, and it did some damage on it. But he said he just decided he wanted to get rid of it. He didn't want to put any money into it. So that's pretty much all we know. So we're just crossing our fingers that it is still good. But even if the engine wasn't good, I mean, we know this is pretty much worth it. Just the transmission itself it's got the MV4500, which is already like, it's worth like $1,500. He said he just rebuilt the rear end, so that's good too. So we will find out when we get home if the engine is good or not. We'll put the starter in and try to turn it on, and let's cross our fingers for it to be good. But yeah, we came all the way to Lake Charles, Louisiana, and as y'all saw, they got hit pretty hard by that hurricane. So we'll see you when we get home. Okay guys, as I am sitting here editing the video, I was watching the news, and there is another hurricane about to hit Lake Charles, Louisiana again. It's called Delta. The last one that hit them was Laura. That was already a couple months ago. That's the one that caused all the damage that y'all saw in the clips right there. And I just want to say, if there's anybody from Louisiana, from Lake Charles specifically, y'all are in our prayers, and we hope everything goes well, because I mean, we saw there was a lot of damage that we weren't able to record, guys, but they got hit real hard by that hurricane. So if there's anybody watching, please stay safe out there, and y'all are in our prayers. All right, that's about all I can say. Right here, I was actually pulling the trailer away from the truck to help unload it, and I was actually running over my dad's skid steer tire with the trailer. That's why they started screaming.
¡Ay, cuidado el bobcat! Y ahora sí que se va para atrás. ¡Sube las cosas, amor!
Okay, guys, it is another day. This is not the one we went to pick up. This one, my dad's had it for a few years already. That's his work truck. That's what he uses every day. But here it is.
It kind of looks the same.
The Hurricane Voyage truck. Now, my dad already started working a little bit on it. And he did find out that they did lie a little bit to us about the... We asked them if... let me open this hood up. The water didn't go up. We asked them if the water level didn't go up when it flooded over there, that it could have gotten into the engine. And they said no, but that was not truth. So my dad drained the oil out, and he said there was more water than oil. And the turbo is locked up. As you can see, it's not spinning at all. So our concern is that there's any oil inside the cylinders. We don't want to try to turn it on like that. So we don't know what to do. We don't know if we should pull the head out, clean it out, try to drain every single oil out of it, or maybe take the injectors out and crank it without the injector so that it spits out the water. If y'all know, if y'all had done something like this before, let us know in the comments how to drain the water out of there. But so far, that's all we've done. He emptied all the oil out of it with the water that was in it. So yeah. And this is what we're planning on putting it in. Well, that's the plan, to put that engine into this truck right here. But that's just an idea. We're not sure we're going to do that yet. Here's some proof that the water did get up here. There's still water in the center console. Darn it. So this is a 79 Ford F700. It's got a gasoline engine. I think it's a 370. But the plan is to put that Cummins in it because my dad is tired of that carbureted engine failing on him. This one, he wants to pretty much use it in his farm for working around the farm. But y'all stay tuned, because if he does decide to do it, we'll do it. We'll put that Cummins engine into this truck. And if y'all have any ideas, let me know down in the comments. If we need to remove the head to get all that water out, or if there's any other way to do it. All right. Would you look at that? Tim from Decent Garage here on YouTube. You know what I'm talking about. After watching your videos all the time using Crocs, you finally convinced me to get my own pair. And you're right, they are super comfortable work boots. I think I'm gonna start wearing these from now on. Actually, my brother got them for me. Thank you, Edward. So thanks to Decent Garage, I'm actually gonna wearing them because he always says they're real comfortable, and they sure are. All right, guys, I forgot to do the outro over there of the video, but that's gonna do it for this video. Y'all make sure to stay tuned to see what happens with that truck, see if we're able to get out the water from the cylinders. I'm pretty sure there's water in the cylinder. So like I said, if you got any ideas, or if y'all have gone through something like that before, make sure to let me know in the comments. So because we've never gone through something like that, so we don't know what to expect really. So y'all make sure to let us know if y'all have gone through something like that. So that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't done yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned in that project and other projects that we got going on. And make sure you hit the like button as well. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Bye.